Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the strike-through text option on your LibreOffice writer on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to strike through text in your LibreOffice writer, just going to show in this video. So to strike through the text, you find example, just going to strike through the LibreOffice writer. So select the text, you just need to apply the strike through text effect. Then you have this tool on the first bottom toolbar on the top here near the underline option. This is called strike through. Just click this, which make the strike through possible. So you can just select whole paragraph. You just need to make a strike through. Just select the whole sentence first, then just click on this, which strike through the whole text. This is how you just create a strike through text effect. You can just untick it and you can just tick it if you just need it. This is how you just create a strike through text on your any word or any particular word or any particular sentence on your LibreOffice writer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.